Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. We're going to fly the A-10 now. Enjoy the show. It's gone a little bit.
What does that go on?
It's just the gyro.
Oh, you have a gyro in there.
Yeah.
Still got a wiggle. Let me give you a little bit more. I mean, I'm barely turning it.
Yeah. Keeps it a little bit.
Let's see.
A lot better now. A lot better.
I think you're going to be on it now. It's still got some wiggle.
Yeah, you know what it is it's fighting the wind, that's why.
Right. I'm going to give you a little bit more, brother. All right. There it is. I don't want to fuck with it while you're in the air anymore. That looks pretty good. Oh. It's in fighting that wind.
Keeps fighting
it from flipping over.
Yeah. Thanks, bro.
Sure. If you need more, just give me a yell. That was a pucker.
Little P came out. Landing, or attempting to. What a crosswind on that one.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Nicely done, Frank.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, that wind is picking up. Definitely got to do a notch of flaps, guys, when you're coming in. Well, guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next ones. Model Man Frank out.